Yeah. Just keep giving me love. Just keep giving me love. Just keep giving me love. Yeah, yeah. I need you right here beside me. If you oblige me, I hang it up and I never come out of retirement.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this beautiful sunlight coming in and I am gonna do a little makeup tutorial. So I've already moisturized. I'm going to go in with the Drunk Elephant Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum, and this is really nice. So just a couple pumps. Next, I'm going in with my BB cream from Bali, and this is in the shade Natural. I love this BB cream so much. It doesn't have a lot of coverage because it's a tinted moisturizer, but I just love it so much for every day. I just blend it in with my fingers. Concealer, just a little bit under the eyes. I can do this in about like 5 minutes if I'm really in a rush. Next, I'm going to be using a little bit of the Bali Shimmering Body Oil. I just put this on the high points of my face. So I pretty much always start off with my creams and my liquids, and then I go on to powdering and all that so nothing cakes up. I really want to be really quick with this. I'm not going to fill them in a lot, just a little bit where they're a little bit sparse, and you know, just keep it natural. And I will set that. I use the XLash mascara. It's a lot of sun. I'm just gonna use a little bit of powder under my eyes. I'm gonna be using the Cover FX Translucent Light Powder, and just the tiniest amount. And just blend it in with my beauty blender. Now I have this little guy from Freck, and this is to tone your freckles. So I have a bunch on my nose that I sort of just want to bring out again. But I just blend it in with my finger. And yeah, I'm just going over my natural freckles. Bring them out a bit. Now for a little bit of highlight, I'm going to be using my Manizer by the Balm, and I'm just highlighting the high points of my face. My all-time favorite bronzer, the Bronze Booster by Physicians Formula. I say it in every video, but I love this so freaking much. I'm just using this over here. So I normally just stop it right here, but I'm feeling like I want a little bit of blush, so I'm taking the NARS Orgasm blush, just a little bit on my nose. I'm going to be using the NYX Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray all over my face. And for lips, I'm going to be using the XLips Intensive Care Lip Balm. I just love how glossy this is. Well, that was my quick everyday makeup. I hope you enjoyed this. And I'm off. I'm actually going somewhere, so I am kind of in a rush. I will see you in my next one. I love you guys so much. Bye!
Yeah. Just keep giving me love. Just keep giving me love. Just keep giving me love. Yeah. I need you right here beside me. If you